Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're quickly going to be talking about the listing of the Sidra chain. And I have also done my KYC, and I'm going to be guiding you in this particular video how you can do your KYC online. As you know, although the KYC of Sidra is supposed to be done physically, that is offline, I'm going to be guiding you in this video how you can do it online. And it is very important that you do your KYC. If not, you will soon regret in the few days we have ahead, because they are planning their listing. So we are going to be discussing all of that in this particular video. So this video is going to be very interesting. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So I just got my KYC verified few days back, and I'm going to be using the technique, some of the techniques I used to show you in this particular video, and then I'm going to be adding new, because I want to guide the community to try as much as possible to do your KYC. So I'm going to be guiding you through how you can do it online. It does not mean that it has been allowed for you to be able to do your KYC online. It's simply a method. I'm going to show you which you are going to do, and it will not be there will not be difference from you doing it physically. It is still the same method. At the end of this video, I'm going to be helping people to direct them. They can do their verification. So if you are not doing your KYC and you are watching this video right now and you want me to help you, you need to make sure that you go to the comment section of this video or in the description section, and then join my Telegram channel, and then notify us there. Make sure that you write a message that you want to complete your KYC. I will be dedicating today and tomorrow to guide you to make sure that you get your KYC for the Sidra chain done. So that will be part of my contribution to the community for this project. So now let's come over back to how you can do your KYC. Now come over to this section right here, and then click on it, and then come down and click on KYC port. So once you click on it, you are going to come over to this page right here, and then you are going to see that my ID card is approved right here. Before this one got approved, there are others that I did which were incomplete or which did not went through. Now for you to be able to follow this method I'm about to show you to do a KYC, you must have submitted your documents, and then you are having this showing that it is in review or pending. So once you submit your documents and you can see that, then you can now go ahead and do what I'm about to show you. But before we go into that, let me quickly share you this. I had an experience where I discovered that when uploading your ID card, there are 3 pictures you need. You need a picture of just the front page of your ID card, and then another one you need a picture of your ID card plus your face, which means that you are going to hold the ID card close to your face and then snap it. Make sure that as you are snapping, all the information on that ID card will be readable. And then you also need the back end of your ID card, which will be held close to your face too, and also be snapped. Now when you are snapping them, if you decide to hold your phone horizontally, make sure that all the images you hold your phone horizontally. If you decide to hold your phone vertically, make sure that you snap all the pictures like that, because I had an issue where one of my images was horizontally and then the other ones were vertically. So I had it was not going through. So when I later discovered, I had to do the needful before my KYC was now successfully uploaded. If not, you will see that you will keep having pending right here. So now once you have done that and you have uploaded the information correctly, so this is what you are going to do. Now this might be applicable to people in Nigeria. I don't know about Ghanaians, because I'm not in Ghana. I don't know about those who are in USA. I don't know about those who are in the United Arab Emirates. I don't know about those who are in other regions. So I'm talking basically about Nigeria, but you can try the same method if you are in your country. Unfortunately, the Sidra chain does not allow you to be able to have access to your app using another region. Like for me to use my app using the Ghana, for example, I can only access with the features available for the Nigeria. So if I come right here, you just see view appointment. You can go ahead and click on that, and then you can see right here that you can book an appointment. So I have booked if you come right here, you can go ahead and search for the name of the branch where you want to do your KYC. If you don't know, then you can search your town. For example, let me use our economic capital, Lagos. So once you search Lagos, you can see that these are different offices in Lagos. So you can see, so there are two basically. So you can visit any of them, but if you don't want to visit any of them, if you don't have that chance, or if you are far, now this is what you are going to do. First, you can see their phone numbers, you can see their email, you can take their numbers and contact them. Now these are the information you are going to need for most of them that can do your KYC online. They will request for a 30 seconds video of your face. That is, you are going to record yourself looking at the camera, turning your head to the left, coming back to the center, going to the right, coming back to the center, raising your head up, and then bringing it down, and then taking it down, and then bring it back to the center, and then blinking your eyes, stuff like that. So they may request for that, and then a small amount of money for you to pay. Now that amount that they are collecting differs. So if you meet the branch A can charge you different from branch B, so like that. So now if you don't know and you want to do your KYC, if you are part of my community and you want to do your KYC, it does not matter where you are. If you are in Nigeria, make sure that you go to the comment section, like I said, and then join my Telegram channel and comment there you want to do your KYC. So we'll start from there, and then I'm going to guide you through. So it is going to be very, very easy. And then if you come here on X and search for Synindra DEX, you are going to see a post that was made, I think yesterday, and this is the post right here. First of all, this post that was made 2 days ago, and they said hold your bags. And then what you can see here is Synindra, guys. Look at that, Synindra. So the next announcement, which was made 1 day ago, they said 22nd November, which is in 2 days from now. And then if you scroll up again, for the past 2 days, I think it has been difficult to claim your Synindra coins. So if you come right here, you see that they made a post 3 hours ago, and this is what they said: dear family, we have found an unexpected issue in the daily claiming process, and it was solved thanks to your feedback. So which means that the community reached out to them and they rectify the issue, so you can now freely claim your Synindra token. Now coming back to this announcement, 22nd November, what is going to be happening? Is it the listing, or what is it? To me, I believe that they are going to give an announcement that may probably have to do with listing, or some important announcement that is very, very important that you can't miss. So for those who are not participating in this project, guys, you are going to miss something very, very, in fact, I don't even know how to quantify it. But for those who are mining, please remember what I said. Let me guide you through your KYC. That will be all for now. Before I go, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.